live in a sad one-bedroom in the beigeish building on Laurel Canyon Boulevard, on the first floor. My name is Bryan. I'm 27 plus 4 years old. I believe in taking care of myself with a balanced diet and a rigorous exercise routine. In the morning, if my face is a little puffy, I'll put on 2 packs of deli meat while I do my stomach crunches. I can do 2 now. After I remove the deli pack, I bathe in a shower that would fit a small baboon. I use Pantene Pro V 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It's both clean and economical. For my face and body, an old crusty Zest bar made of honey, wax, and baby feet. You're probably wondering why I wear underwear in the shower. It's because I don't want to be demonetized. But wait, I don't have enough subscribers to be monetized anyway. Then I apply a papaya enzyme facial mask that I leave on for 10 minutes while I prepare the rest of my routine. These are all my girlfriend's things. I don't use any of them, except for Q-tips. Everyone uses Q-tips. There is an idea of a Bryan, some kind of try-hard wannabe, but there is no real me, only an entity, something illusory. And though I can hide my cold gaze and you can shake my hand and feel sweaty flesh gripping yours, and maybe you can sense your lifestyle is better than mine, I simply am not denying that.
Okay, let's go make French toast.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cheesy Desert Cooking Vlog. Today we're making French toast. It's super easy. Here I have some eggs, milk, and cinnamon sugar. For the bread, you want to use something thick and spongy like a brioche or challah. I like to use Texas toast. I live in Los Angeles and they only sell Texas toast in Texas, so
the stars at night are big and bright.
Do you think they call it toast in Texas? Huh, guess not.
Deep in the heart of Texas.
Boom! Texas toast, baby. Oh no, I ruined the cinnamon and sugar. Let me show you how to cook cinnamon and sugar. You mix cinnamon, you add sugar, done, cinnamon and sugar. When making the custard, you need to use a shallow bowl. If you aren't sure if the bowl is shallow, you can throw it in the shallow end at the pool. If it floats, good job, you picked the right bowl. First, break 2 eggs. Uh-oh. Then add some milk, your cinnamon sugar, pinch of salt, and give it a good mix. Heat up a non-stick pan to medium-low heat. Add some butter. We're gonna start with the end of the loaf as a practice run. If you screw this up, just feed it to your dumbest kid. Give it a good dunking and grill it up. Press it down a little bit so it gets full contact with the pan. Grill until golden brown. Should only take about 3 minutes each side. Okay, so I just ate that one, and I wanna make a few adjustments. I'm dipping it quicker because it tasted a little too custardy. But hey, if you're into that sort of thing, then you do you, baby. Okay, it's been a couple minutes, it's flippy dippy time. To me, this is perfect. Crispy edges cooked all the way through, not soggy.
French toast.
Good stuff. Later on, I would learn that this pan is big enough for 2 pieces, which would have saved me a whole bunch of time. Maybe I was the dumbest kid. And there you have it. Tasty, golden brown French toast. For toppings, I keep it simple. I like to add powdered sugar, which my guy Jose imports from an undisclosed sugar factory in Colombia. Just a couple spoonfuls. Then, of course, maple syrups. Guys, this French toast turned out great. Fluffy on the inside, lightly crisp on the outside. It's one of my favorite breakfast recipes because it's super easy and hard to screw up. I do, however, just want to add in a tiny bit more sugar. Just a little. No, my cocaine. I mean, sugar.
That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look us up. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Desert Cooking. The link in the description is on the blog.
Did you get egg on the window?
Yeah, I crushed an egg and then it flew out the window.
Why didn't you use like a towel or something?
Sorry.
Such an idiot.
The recipe and ingredients are in the link description below. Guys, this is a really, oh!
Next time, use your head.
I gotta eat.